What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and I'm a content creator based here in Illinois. My goal with this channel is to make you relax, inspire, educate, motivate, and entertain. So if any of that interests you, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you're the first to know whenever I upload anything new. Alright, let's get started. So if you guys watch my previous unboxing video, I told you guys that I ordered a bunch of stuffs from Mercari. Some of them came today. 3 packages came today. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it. So this one is from Vernon Hills, Illinois. Oh, it's around here. This one is from Star, South Carolina. That's far. And this one is Kansas City, Kansas. Which one should I start first? I think start on my left side again to the right. So this one first. So yeah, as I mentioned last time, I didn't know what stuffs are in the packages because I ordered a bunch at the same time. Like I ordered NBA cards, Pokemon cards at the same time, so I don't know which is which. So yeah, let's find out. Oh yeah, these are NBA cards. Oh, I can see it now. I can see my idol. It's Allen Iverson. Yep. Oh, it's tape. How many Allen Iverson are in this package? Let's see. So we have 6 cards of Allen Iverson. Yep. Let's check one by one again. Put it here. This one is 96-97 all rookie team. So this is basketball rookies number 73. Okay, next one is Iverson with the 76ers logo. This is Z-Force 100. Yeah, see that and that. Oh, look at the reflector of the Iverson name. Next is same thing that I got last time. It's Bowman Allen Iverson number 10. Okay, next is NBA Hoops. Okay, premium stock. Number 285. Still Allen Iverson. Okay. Next is NBA Hoops again. 76ers guard number 62. Okay. Last one. Oh, I like this one. Star Traction Upper Deck. I like the edges of this card. This is number SA9. Whoa, that's cool. See that? Yeah. This one from South Carolina. Star, South Carolina. I feel like this is Pokemon. Sorry if I open the packages like this, guys. Cause I don't wanna just rip it and ruin the item inside, you know what I'm saying? So NBA stuffs. So I like the packaging. Oh, yeah. This is NBA card of Allen Iverson. Yep, this is the check premium performers. This is PJJAI 0405. Dang, see that, guys? Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering why is it always Allen Iverson, as I mentioned in my previous unboxing video, I am a die-hard fan of Allen Iverson. So yeah, let's proceed to this one. Look, this is, and by the way, this one is from Kansas City, Kansas. Yeah. What are these? Oh, these are Pokemon cards. Yep. These are Pokemon cards, yeah. So I got a lot. These are all reflector cards. Can you see? Let me check. I'm not gonna do this one by one for you guys because I don't wanna take a lot of your time. So I'm just gonna check if I have something special, like a Charizard. I'm really still not familiar with these cards, so I don't know which is which has a high value. So I'll probably research about Pokemon cards first, and then I'll probably just make a video next time if I get something like special from these cards. And by the way, I still have a lot of Pokemon cards that's still on the way. I think that should be it for now. So guys, please comment down below if you like this video, and please click thumbs up, and if you don't, it's fine, you can click thumbs down, that's fine with me. Right, so yeah, that should be it for now. See you guys, take care, be safe, God bless, see ya.